Hey, it's Ken from Get English Tips here. Now here's a question that I was asked. Two really important adverbs that native speakers use all the time. We've got basically and literally. Basically, literally. Someone's wanting to know, how do we use them? Let's have a look at them. We'll take literally first. Now the pronunciation is literally. 3 syllables. Literally. Literally. We could say literally. It's too difficult even for a native speaker, so literally is a good pronunciation for it. And what it means is it's exactly what I am saying. Okay, so for example, easiest way is to give you an example. If I say, I'm really sorry I was late, I was only literally 5 minutes late. I was exactly 5 minutes late. It was so hot, it was literally 40 degrees. It was exactly 40 degrees. So when we say literally, we are saying that something is exactly how I am saying it. There's no ambiguity. Ambiguity means 2 meanings. There's no doubt. There's no ambiguity. There's no other meanings. It's exactly what I'm saying. Okay, so I was so scared. I was literally shaking. So I was exactly shaking. So literally, exactly what I'm describing. So that's literally. The other one we've got is basically. Basically. I tend to think that basically is an overused word. A lot of people will say it to show that what I'm going to say is very, very simple to understand. I'm going to tell you exactly to the point. Okay? So, for example, someone might say, well, basically, this is how it works. Blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to tell you, and what I'm going to say is going to be very simple and easy and very, very directly what I'm going to say. Another example might be, can you tell me how to get to the police station? Well, basically, it's just down the road on the right-hand side. Very, very straightforward, very, very direct, very easy to understand. So when I'm describing this, I can see how some people maybe get them, confused. They are kind of very very similarly used. So basically, we use it to show that what I'm going to say is very direct, to the point, and it's going to be very easy to understand. And literally means that I'm going to tell you exactly. There's no doubt, there's no double meanings. I'm going to tell you exactly how it was. So that's really how we use both of these, basically and literally. So basically, that's what they mean. So you understand there? So I've just told you basically, I've just told you simply. There's no, I've told you very directly what they mean. So there we go. Hopefully that's made it a little bit easier for you to understand, and you've got a good grasp of it now. And if you've got any questions on this, then leave them below. And if you've got any requests for lessons, then obviously let me know below as well, and I'll get around to doing that. If you want to practice and leave a couple of sentences for me to check, no problem. I'll have a look at that as well. So hopefully I will speak to you on the next lesson. My name's Ken. Bye for now.